We lead, we compete, we excel. We are proud Elsicians, proud Elsicians. Forward we march, we all yell. We are proud Elsicians, proud Elsicians. Guided with a motherly care. LCC Mark, we bear. We praise you and salute you. Forever we say thank you for keeping your torch aflame. While we stride handsome high, taking pride in your name, dear LCC alma mater, you raise us to be better. Your trust is to serve us all, molding us to be bright, so we're here standing tall. We uphold your core values. All we learn will be of use. LCC brings out the best in you, changing lives for the better you. LCC brings out the best in you, changing lives for the better you. Vision, mission, statement. La Concepcion College envisioned herself to be one of the forefront educational institutions that serve as catalysts of change for the holistic development of the community, the country, and the Asian region. Inspired by the motherly care and ideals of Mary Immaculate Conception and guided by the core values that befits a true Elsician, LCC dedicates herself in the pursuit of her purpose of inspiring her students and stakeholders to be in their fullest potential by cultivating minds, capturing hearts, and changing lives to become better individuals of the society. Because LCC aims to change lives for the better you. Core values. A true Elsician is characterized by leadership, competitiveness, culture of excellence.